welcome to our special coverage of the latest developments in the war in Ukraine and the deepening partnership between Russia and China. Let's delve into the details. Russian President Vladimir Putin expressed gratitude to Beijing for its efforts to seek a solution to the conflict in Ukraine. Speaking alongside Chinese leader Xi Jinping in Beijing, Putin highlighted the growing economic ties between the two nations. At a joint press conference with Xi Jinping, Putin said, "We are grateful to our Chinese friends and colleagues for the initiatives they are putting forward to resolve this problem." Despite Moscow's openness to dialogue with Ukraine, Putin reiterated Russia's stance on the annexation of certain Ukrainian regions. China has positioned itself as a neutral party in the conflict, refraining from condemnation and positioning itself as a mediator. But this is in question. During the press conference, Putin also criticized Western-led security alliances in the Asia-Pacific region, reflecting mutual concerns between Moscow and Beijing. Despite challenges, China has become Russia's most significant political and economic partner since the invasion of Ukraine in 2022. Putin hailed the growing economic ties between Russia and China, emphasizing the increasing share of bilateral trade in local currencies. Putin further said, the share of bilateral trade conducted in rubles and yuan had exceeded 90%. However, recent threats from the United States have led to a decline in Chinese exports to Russia. Putin's visit to China underscores the deepening partnership between the two nations amidst Western opposition to Russia's actions in Ukraine. Putin and Xi vowed to deepen their comprehensive strategic partnership during their meeting, despite pressure from the United States and Europe. As Putin's visit to China continues, the world watches closely to see how the partnership between Russia and China will evolve amidst the ongoing conflict in Ukraine. Stay tuned with us as we bring you further updates on this developing story.